Ladies and gentlemen, I present Strawberry Margarita by the gallon. It's in a gallon thingy thing, okay? So we start off with lime slices. Yes? What is a gallon thingy thing? A gallon jug. That's called a jug, right? Anyone? Okay, I see heads nodding. We agree it's a jug. So you put in some lime slices, put in some strawberry slices. Guys, where this comes in handy is those of you who live in apartment complexes. When you go by the pool, a lot of times there's this no glass policy, okay? Because people get cut all the time. And so you could now take one of these out there and still keep the party going and have a ton of booze with you. You see what I'm saying? Because you put it in one of these jugs. So we load in some tequila, come behind with some triple seca, okay? Beautiful. Some sweet and sour. Damn, that's a lot of sweet and sour. Holy Christ. Okay? Get some sweet and sour in there. Man, that's a lot. Okay, and then we come behind with some strawberry liqueur, okay? I was upset about the sweet and sour because that's a lot considering how many booze, okay? But now we add more booze. It makes sense. Put a seal on that. Now we got to give this bad boy a little shaking. You see what I'm saying? That's right. Just rock it back and forth. Shake, 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 shake. Now you can stick that in the fridge or freezer to get cold quickly, okay? Once it's cold, you ready to go.